Have you ever felt a sound go straight through you? Not just into your ears, but deep into your spine. A sound that didn't feel like noise, but like a force. Across cultures, across centuries, yogis have whispered about certain sounds that don't just calm the mind, they dissolve the sense of being in the body itself. Stay with me till the end of this video because what you're about to hear may completely change the way you understand sound, consciousness, and the idea of leaving the body. Sound is not what you think it is. Modern science tells us sound is vibration, pressure waves moving through air. But yogic science goes much deeper. To a yogi, sound is not something you hear. Sound is something you become. Your body is not solid the way you think it is. Every cell is already vibrating. Your organs, your nerves, even your thoughts function as oscillations. When an external vibration precisely matches an internal one, boundaries begin to blur. This is not mystical language, it's resonance. The body as a vibrational cage. Yogic traditions say the human body is held together by the body as a vibrational cage. Yogic traditions say the human body is held together by a specific vibrational structure, a kind of energetic glue. As long as this structure is stable, you experience yourself as inside the body, not death, not sleep, a temporary dislocation of identity. This is where sound comes in. In mystic musings, Sadhguru once remarked that sound is the subtlest form of creation, closer to source than light or matter. He explained that certain sounds don't communicate meaning, they alter structure. When the structure of perception changes, experience follows. In other words, sound doesn't take you out of the body, it makes the body irrelevant for a moment. Mantras were never meant to be soothing, they were engineered. Each syllable was designed to strike specific energy points along the spine and brain, not metaphorically, mechanically, energetically. When chanted incorrectly, nothing happens. When chanted correctly, with alignment and intensity, the nervous system enters a state of overload, not chaos, but precision overload. And in that moment, the sense of I am here begins to collapse. People who have come close to this state describe it strangely similarly. A sudden expansion, a loss of body weight, a feeling of being everywhere and nowhere at once. Not imagination, not hallucination. Yogic texts warn that crossing this threshold accidentally can cause severe disorientation. This is why these practices were never taught casually and never publicly. Sound is a key, but keys can open doors or break locks. Science accidentally touches the edge. Modern experiments with binaural beats, infrasonic frequencies, and sonic weapons have already shown something unsettling. Certain sound patterns can include disassociation, time distortion, even a feeling of leaving the body. What science stumbles upon through machines, yogis mastered through awareness. The difference, one is uncontrolled, the other is conscious. If a sound can destabilize your sense of physical existence, imagine its misuse. Imagine crowds exposed to it. Imagine minds fragmented without understanding why. This is why yogic systems placed strict discipline before sound initiation. years of grounding before a single powerful vibration was given. Power without stability is destruction. Can it happen instantly? Yes, but instantly doesn't mean safely. For a prepared system, sound can act like a switch, momentarily shifting awareness beyond the body. For an unprepared one, it can cause fear, panic, or long term imbalance. Yogis never asked, "Can it be done?" They asked, "Should it be done and by whom?" Ask yourself, is the desire to leave the body about freedom or escape? Yogic wisdom says the goal was never to abandon the body, but to not be trapped by it, to sit fully inside it, yet not be limited by it. Sound was only one doorway among many, and not the safest one. If this video made you rethink something as ordinary as sound, share it with someone who believes consciousness is locked inside the skull. There's a deeper science at play, one humanity is only beginning to remember. Like the video if it stirred something within you. Subscribe if you want more explorations into mystic musings, yogic sciences, and the hidden mechanics of human consciousness. Stay curious, stay grounded, and above all, stay aware.